Welcome Aquarius, thank you for joining. Don't forget to like or subscribe Lucas Love Tarot if you like these readings. Okay, messages for Aquarius. We do have Leo energy, Virgo energy, and Taurus energy in this reading. It doesn't have to be the star signs that relate to your situation. It could just be in their chart. But it seems like a Leo may have given you a serving or past judgment, and they're feeling a little bit guilty here with the Nine of Swords. Maybe they took it too far. It's kind of made you a little bit sad because you're on a happy high. If this hasn't happened yet, Aquarius, just be mindful that, you know, a Leo could say something that might hurt. I feel like you are passionate towards Virgo energy, and this person may have been single for a while. It's like a love train, like this Taurus is crushing on you and you're crushing on a Virgo. That's what I see here. The Virgo energy, just, if you see here, like they're coming to them on the horse and they've got their back to it, and then there's a Taurus energy with their hand up like, hello, what about me? So it's like not a love triangle, but just like people like wanting something and the other person isn't answering. So let's just clarify. Okay, so the Leo person could be judging how you like this Virgo because they're not really liking. Could be a parent that's this energy, the fire energy, that's just not accepting of somebody that you like. And clarify the Taurus here. This way they're having a break. This way it's upside down. So the Taurus isn't going to rest until they get you. So just be mindful that they might be foolishly taking the leap to get you. Messages from Oracle, Angel cards, creativity guides. So just get out there and do what makes you happy. Paint, dance, music, anything that you enjoy right now. Because people are just pissing you off at the moment, and you just want to do stuff that keeps you active and your mind healthy and away from the drama. Okay, thank you.